this would be checking your understanding of 1.1 imperial measurement of length. So after reading your notes and taking a look at the conversions, then you're asked to do these 4 questions, or try to do these 4 questions. So number 1, a perimeter frame picture is 96 inches. What is the perimeter in feet and inches? To convert it into feet, it's going to be 96 divided by 3 equals 32 feet. Right? And 0 inches. Or we can just leave it as 96 inches. What is the cost to frame the picture at 0.89 or 89 cents per foot? So it's going to be 32 times 0.89, and that will equal $28.40. 2, baseboard. Move it up here. Baseboards for living room cost $4.39 per yard. What is the perimeter? 50 feet. So 50 feet divided by 3 is equal to 16.6 yards. So that's my answer for A, for yards. What is the cost to put baseboards around the living room and have a 72-inch doorway? So 72 divided by 36, because it's 36 inches in a yard, and that gives me 2. So it's going to be 16.6 minus 2 gives me 14.6 yards. You cannot buy part of a yard, so I got to round that up to 15 yards. And it's going to be 15 yards times $4.39, and the cost to put baseboards around that room will be $65.85. 10 yards of fat will be cut into 10 inches widths. How many strips can be made? So 10 yards is going to be times, because we're talking about inches, is going to be multiplied by 36, which equals 360 inches. Divide that by 10, because we're going to be put into 10-inch widths, and we get 36 strips. The last one, what is the distance from Roslyn to Honolulu? Hawaii scale is 1 to 1,500,000, and the distance in this book is 4 7/8. So 4 7/8 is inches, which means this is telling me 1 inch on the map equals really 1,500,000 inches in real life. So we want 4 7/8 to x. This has to be switched to 7 divided by 8. So now I get 4.875 over x. And once again, we're still working with 1 over 500, or 1,500,000. So for me to go to that, I multiply by 4.875. So I do the top, I must do the bottom. So I multiply that by 4.785. And my answer will be 7312500 inches. In real life, if that was the true scale, that would take from Roslyn to Honolulu would be that many inches to get there.